Process of making bricks. We are going to discuss introduction of bricks making. How to make bricks. Commonly, the word brick is used to refer to clay bricks, which are manufactured from raw clay as their primary ingredient. Brick is one of the most used and versatile building materials in use today. Clay bricks are arguably the most common brick type used in constructions today. Bricks are found in numerous old and ancient structures. History. The process of making bricks is a chemical reaction which has been used for thousands of years. The first bricks made in areas with warm climates were mud bricks dried in the sun for hardening. Now we are going to elaborate the current process of bricks. To make bricks, sand, wet clay and coal dust are mixed together. And made into brick shapes. The brick shapes are left to dry for 3 days and then they are baked in an oven at 1200 degrees C. The bricks are then left to cool until they are ready to use. Right up the baking stage, the mixture is soft and can be cut or molded. During the baking, the new hard material we call brick is produced. It is impossible to turn the brick back into the original ingredients after it has been baked. Examples of brick: common burnt clay bricks, sand lime bricks, engineering bricks, concrete bricks, fly ash clay bricks,